Well, welcome back to the pitch. And now we're going to invite all four teams to hear what we have to say for the results. Well, while all four teams did extremely well, so I hear, some didn't do as well as the others. And we have to say goodbye to one of you this afternoon. I'm going to request the black team and the yellow team to step forward, please. Well, this is the position. Do you know what the position is?
The winning position?
I'll ask the red team to step forward also. And before you hit a mark, let me tell you, the red team, you all are safe. You can go.
The elimination was the funnest part for me today. It lasted all of 30 seconds, which involved saying, oh, the red team was the best. You're safe, you can leave. For once. I mean, that was a fun feeling.
Green team, step forward too. Does this mean that these are the teams in the red? All three? No. All I have to say is that the red team was asked to leave first because, in their opinion, they did best today. But, green team, you came in second, so I think you all can also go.
Definitely, I think our strategy worked for us because we decided, we're not from the business background. We need to use our strengths. So we used our creativity.
And it apparently worked very well.
Glad to have you, partner.
The next person or team that we talk about will be the one that will actually go and leave the show. Who will that be? I'd like Mr. Bajaj to ask a couple of questions before we come to our decision, to our conclusion.
May I start with Tushar?
Yes, sir.
Why were you so silent?
Well, in fact, we decided that, the future part, my teammate will take care, and the history part or the journey towards where we are right now, I will take care. But I think the time constraint was there. I respected the time. I had my own opinion. Obviously, in fact, when you are in a team, you have to respect the teammate as well. So that was the only point I would like to say.
Shreyas,
Yes.
you monopolized the whole 5 minutes. You're not fair to your partner. Why? What happened?
It was something that we had pre-decided that we will spend a disproportionate amount of time on it.
No, on
It
the
was
last
not.
question.
On the last question, yes, which
No,
I was
but-
handling.
Did you decide in advance that you will speak for 5 minutes and he'll speak for 0 minutes? I'm being very, very
No,
specific.
it was not. It
But
was
that's what happened.
disproportionate, but it was what was happening.
What do you have to say about that?
Well, in fact, I told him as soon as we went out, that was not fair, but we had no option, and I respected time. And if I go back to Mr. Bajaj,
Well, what do you have to say about that, Shreyas?
I think the fact was this thing. I think that a lot of teams, what they did, if you look at it, was that they took it on to the next. There were, to be very fair, a lot of questions which were not covered were covered in the Q&A sessions. So we could have taken forward on the question and answer slides. We could have said that this is something that we had covered instead of saying that, it's not something that I would want to do.
Do you
So
think you were being fair to your partner?
I think I was fairly fair. So it's the way things go. So
You've got a strong reaction on that one.
no, fairly. So as I said, it was something that was.
Was it pre-decided that you speak for 5 minutes and not give? That's. And then what do you have to say about that? That's what we want to
But
know.
Tushar, as he said, as soon as they went out, he said, you were not fair to me. Or something like
So
that.
that's what he's saying. He's saying you were not fair to him. Do you feel you were not fair, or by turning around and saying yes, you think
Maybe
you were
not
fair?
intentionally.
Yeah, maybe it was not intentional, but I think 5 minutes was unanticipated. We thought maybe 4 and 1 would be a good split. It split all to a 5.
You mismanaged the time.
We mismanaged the time to a certain extent, yes.
Do you agree with that?
I respected time decision because as a leader or as a businessman, you need to respect the time, otherwise you are nowhere. That's my personal opinion.
You got to also respect the moment that you have in the moment and the opportunity.
Don't come all the time. If you just look at one thing in time and
Yes,
then
sir. Also, I
opportunities may go.
respected your advice also. Somebody has to listen. The guy who listens has a lot of knowledge, and I'm that guy.
I would like to ask a question to Alok.
Yes.
Maybe I'm wrong, Alok, but you started, you did very well. But I got an impression that on some matters you were sitting on the fence. If my impression is correct, a businessman or a CEO can't sit on the fence. You have to decide this way or that way and hope that 9 times or 8 times out of 10 he's right.
I have something to say to you, Kunal. I think you can go. You're safe.
Thank you.
I think it's only fair to recognize that.
आज का elimination round again was quite different from what we had ever experienced. Fortunately, I was not in the spotlight, so to say, and I was asked to leave earlier without any questions because I was safe.
So maybe the three of you could stand there together till we come up with a golden handshake and tell which one of you is outpitched. Actually, we have 3 offenders today. Because normally it's a question of, deciding by way of content and presentation alone. What has happened today is there's been a mix of mildly weak presentation to poor time management and maybe not very good team play.
The other 2 did very good in team play also.
Team play was also fantastic, and apart from that, there were some wonderful pointers that they brought up, so I hear, and that's why they were the first to walk out, and we gave them that space. So, to be fair, we all feel that one of you has to go, and I will stand up and walk up to you and tell you and shake your hand, and you have to say goodbye. It's only fair. We'll know in 10 seconds and 10 steps by me walking up there and shaking hands.
I think, as they said, it was a close call, and they decided based on maybe my non-participation in the presentation. And of course, as they said, that I didn't redeem myself too well. So that was it.
Tushar was my roommate, and I think he was one of the greatest guys that I've met in recent time. He was one guy that really bonded well with the team. He kept the whole group together. So as a persona, I think we're going to really miss him on this show. I'm going to miss my roommate.
I think Burman actually, felt that there is a tough competition going on between him and me. Boss, if anybody is watching on TV, I'm available for the next show. I will assure you, I can do much better job than Burman Irani. Okay? 2 teams, go for it.
We made videos of him every day. He used to imitate everyone, and he had lots of wisecracks, and he even bought everyone a book, and he was really, we all got a message at 2 o'clock in the morning saying, guys, get up, it's time to leave, and stuff like that. So we'll miss him. I mean, didn't want him to leave.
Why?
First time I did not speak, friend.
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay.
Honestly speaking, I don't think there is anybody else to blame but myself. You cannot go into a presentation and manage your time so poorly.
ऑनेस्टली अगर आप मुझसे पूछें तो मुझे अभी भी क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है कि मैं क्यों रेड में था और वो क्यों हो रहा था, बिकॉज अगर आप पास्ट परफॉर्मेंसेस भी देखेंगे तो जो मेरी पिचेस थी वो हमेशा ही विनिंग पिचेस रही हैं. हो सकता हो कि आज मैंने अपने टीम मेंबर को बहुत ज़्यादा लेवरेज दिया इन टर्म्स ऑफ कि आप ही पूरा देखो. आई एम हियर टू विन द 5 crore pitch. That's basically the mantra, and I'll do it. I know.
The same thing that is coming out every time is that even if I come in the red zone initially because of the team outcome, I am able to come out of it clean. I am passionate about what I do, and I am putting in my 100%. I don't know how passionate the others are, so we'll watch out. Let's see how it works out.
Tushar, would it be unfair to say that, or would you be lying if you said that you're not disappointed?
I am indeed disappointed.
Very disappointed?
Very disappointed. Very, very disappointed.
What went wrong?
Well, unfortunately, I couldn't jump in at the right moment. Maybe I thought I'm expecting time, but as somebody advised me, a great friend said that you need to grab that opportunity and hit for a 6 at the last ball. I missed out on that opportunity, and the game was lost.
Your experience up to now?
My experience was wonderful. I had great time on the show. I enjoyed every moment of the show.
You made friends?
Oh yes, all of them.
Did you make an enemy today?
I don't think so.
No?
In fact, a lot of them are still willing to offer me equity. So that's
From the contestants?
Yeah, from the contestants.
Where to from here?
Get back to the business, and you never know, I may never need this kind of money. I would create that money and give it to others.
Why should you say you may never know? I mean, I would take it as a given.
Yes.
This is just a platform, you know, you can make your own platform.
Yeah.
What is the ultimate aim at the end of all of this?
I think one day you will call me on the show in some big season as a business tycoon. So I think that's
Wow, that is a big thing. I'd like to shake your hands on that. Yeah.
Anytime.
I'm going to repeat what you said. You'd call me on the show not as a contestant but as a business tycoon. Well said.
Thank you so much.
Wish you
Take
very
care.
much.
Yeah.
Mr. Bajaj, one of the reasons why I've done this show, being an actor, I should be doing shows only on the entertainment channels. The reason why I did this show is not because I want to be an entrepreneur or anything like that. It's because I get to meet people, learn, because an actor never stops learning like anybody else. So thank you very much for sharing this afternoon with us. You have no idea how much we have gained from it. I'm a richer man today. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Raman, and I enjoyed myself very much and very happy and grateful to UTV and Bloomberg for giving me this opportunity to do this show, to meet these participants and to be with you, especially to be with you.
so much.
Thank you.
so much.
Next week, the entrepreneurs meet Mr. Mahesh Bhupati.
Are you, as a sportsman, celebrity crazy?
Not really. I'm just crazy about making money through celebrities. We don't want to be spending 100 crores to make 3 crores. We want to obviously do the opposite.
We can do whatever we want.
When you're saying that it's my choice to send you the solution, you probably don't want to hear my solution.
I'm sweating, that's my problem.
It's not a very happy promise that he's made. One of you is going to be eliminated by him.